Good afternoon. It is April 9th, 2024, and today we had a reversal day after this huge move down, really. Just two legs down, like almost two perfect legs down. We then reversed. And so let's take a look. I didn't mark the trades. I was looking at other charts today. So the overnight, it looked and felt like a range, especially when you bounce right here. 5 o'clock comes in when we're rallying, and you could just buy looking for the measured move. Uh, we get one leg of correction and then one leg of correction right here, and then it takes off. So I like this because it looked like we were going for a measured move. And when we finally hit that, you can see people sell off. And you don't really, I think you gotta, I think you have to consider this one. How many ticks? 4 ticks. Second entry short, doji here, showing that there are signs of the bears they're there. After this pretty nice bear legs, and you can see it sells off. Kind of a breakout pullback right here. I don't really look at that as a failure, but you could look at it. You could argue for it to be like that. And then we go sideways within the range. You get a double bottom in here, and they just trap a bunch of bulls. And technically, this is a second entry short. It's kind of just in the middle of the range. It's aggressive, especially because we have a range within this range, and you just don't really know what's happening. Big sell-off, hits the measured move. Then we get a two-legged pullback. Maybe you consider this, but I think you want to wait a little bit to see what the price action is doing. But that is a two-legged correction. Unfortunately, I don't see how to get in on this. This one, just because the prices have moved so much to the downside that you might just, we might be selling off for the rest of the day. But then when we get this correction and looking at this correction, and I think on the MES, these were the exact same size, 9.5 points. So let's see. Yeah. Can you copy and paste these? And so, yeah, pretty much the same thing. So, there are two corrections. We have these perfect measured legs. And I think that's our sign that, okay, maybe this sell-off is over. And so I was looking at this as a potential range. We break out, pull back, you get a second entry long, big bullish bar. I like this. I like going long there. And it looks like the breakout's going to fail, but it doesn't. It bounces right here, higher, low, because see, we got this. Got this move down. You get a higher low here after the breakout, and then it rallies. And you get a second entry long here, but the signal bar is no good. And we've been going sideways for the most part. I thought we were going to sell off a little bit more. So, it's reasonable to look for a short up here, something like that. This one right here. Big bullish signal bar. It's like a triple test. You might consider that. Breaks lower and fails, and then it started to look like we were going to get a sell-off, and we just didn't. And it bounces here, and I say you just jump in on this with how bullish this looks. I mean, it's clear as day on the 6,500 tick chart by that third or fourth, this bar or this bar. I'm looking for a measured move out of this range. And really, what I actually didn't look for a measured move. I actually just put my stop like a few ticks below the closing price from yesterday, and you can see plenty of people are taking profits there. So, yeah, that's how I saw it today. We'll take a look at the daily chart. So it looks like we might close as a bearish doji again. So we're just going to have to wait and see, let the price action play out. Not a lot of information today. So hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.